No, no, shh. What's that noise? It sounds like a monster.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog. Hey little man, just fed him his bottle. And Sophia's home from school today, day 2. She's pretty much back to normal, right? You feel good, you feel happy, you feel energetic. But doctor said she has to be off today. So she goes back to school tomorrow, which is Wednesday. But yeah, it's pretty much a day off for her because, like I said, she is back to normal. Oh, he's dripping over here. I gotta change him right now into his day clothes. But hopefully you guys are doing well. We're doing pretty good over here. No real plans today. I'm still debating what to make for dinner. I think I might be making a tater tot thing. It's a buffalo chicken tater tot casserole, I guess. I don't know. It's something Sophia's not going to eat because it is spicy and she doesn't like spicy, so we'll make her something separate. It's not the healthiest thing, but it's delicious, and I think we might make it today. You know what? We're going to make that today. That's what we're having today. Well, not you either, because you're a baby. Okay? Anyway, I'm going to change him. So what are you working on over here?
I'm doing all the colors of each holiday. I did green and red, which is Christmas. Now I'm doing blue, light green, yellow, and pink for Easter.
Easter? Oh, you're doing like all the holidays?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. I like the imagination that you have there.
I
That's
think
your markers.
blue and white are Hanukkah.
Blue and white?
And yellow.
Oh, definitely blue, yeah. Uh-huh.
Blue, white, and yellow.
Yeah, that could work. Yellow could be like the flame for the candles. Kinda. What are you saying over there, man? He's doing a lot of talking over there. Doing a lot of talking. Yeah, I cleaned her bathroom just now, and I'm gonna cut up chicken and get it ready for dinner. Because I gotta split a package between today's dinner and another one, because today's dinner is gonna have 1.5 packages of it, and chicken tortilla only takes a half a package, so I'm just gonna work on that. And I ordered, I had to go online for a little bit. I think it's nap time, by the way, if you can hear. I had to order some more formula for the man. We may be switching back to Gerber. We're gonna try a week because he is just way too constipated on this stuff. He's drinking it fine. So if he just drinks the Gerber fine, that's gonna work better because I know he's been on Gerber before and it makes him go. It makes him go really well. I don't know what that means. I guess it means go really well. Right, buddy? Gerber did the trick for your intestines. And I had to look up the recipe for tonight. We don't have it written down. I don't need like measurements. I just wasn't sure about temperature of oven and how long. Because I remember it taking a long time in the oven. And yeah, it's 350 degrees and like 45 minutes. Because it's like thick and it's raw chicken in there. So, and it's tater tots, frozen tater tots. So it takes a while. Alright, man, can you wait a little bit more and then we'll go down for a nap at 10? 20 minutes? Or do you want to go down now? What do you think? Yeah, maybe I'll put you down now. Alright, man. Have a good night. Well, not a night. Have a good day, I guess I could say.
Day nap.
Day nap. Have a good day nap. Night-night. Well. What do you say? I want to say night-night, but it's not nighttime. What do you say?
Oh.
Nap? Nap, Max. Alright, you're good with coloring?
Night nap.
Night nap. That's kind of cool, actually. I like it. Alright, I'm going to go shower real quick, okay?
Okay.
You still coloring?
Yep.
Yes. Man, I forgot to show you guys my lunch. I meant to show you guys. Sophia had a sandwich and some fruit. I just had some Lipton soup. But Sophia tomorrow, I'm going to make Sophia's lunch for tomorrow for school. And she has a Christmas party tomorrow. And she asked if I had anything Christmassy. So we have these fun sandwich cutters. There's like, I don't know, 12 in here or something like that. 9, whatever. The closest thing we got is a star. Because stars go on top of Christmas trees. So I think that works. I'll make her lunch now. I got the dinner tonight. This is just, you mix these two together basically. Ranch and Frank's Red Hot. That's the sauce. And then you cut up pieces of chicken, which I already did. And you mix it all together, that with the sauce, and you put that all in like a glass dish to bake it in. You know, one of these like Pyrex kind of dishes. You throw it in there, and then you layer the top layer with tater tots, frozen tater tots, which we have right here. And you just layer it on top, then you throw some cheese on top, and then you bake it for like 45 minutes. If you've never had that, it's very simple. You really don't need a recipe. There's recipes with measurements, but all I do is I make like a good mixture here. We put a good amount of this in there. You can use less if you don't like spicy things, or you could put more, which we tend to do. And then you want it to coat all the chicken and to be a little bit more liquidy, I guess, because I don't know, it just seems to evaporate or something. I don't know what it does, but you want it to be pretty liquidy when you put the chicken in there. And then you just, you layer the tots and sprinkle the cheese on top, and you really don't need a recipe. But if you do want to look up a recipe, there's many of them, even other ones that include like celery and carrots. I mean, that makes sense, right? When you get buffalo wings, they always put celery on the side. We don't do that. But just look up, it's called buffalo chicken tater tot casserole. That would be the keyword to search. So if you want, there you go. What are you doing?
Taking my baby for a stroll.
For a stroll? Oh wow, there she is. Who is that?
It's Giggles.
Oh. Sometimes I forget the names of my babies. Just kidding. You have so many of them. Of course you're gonna forget sometimes. Well, enjoy your stroll.
Okay.
No. What was that? What was that? What are you doing over there? I don't know what that is.
The actual kids are actually at a sleepover. Angel is at Hayden's house and Luke is at Jake's house.
Oh really? Well, that's cool. All right. Let's make this star. That point's gonna be a little blunt because it doesn't reach. But all right, let's see. One-handed. Oh yeah. I don't want to mess it up. I did it. Yay! Cool star, Soph. Well, that's half a star.
Can you show me a hole for both of them together?
Oh, hold on. I gotta put the camera down. Wait, it's right here. See it?
Yeah.
Like it? Awesome. Alright, so we are gonna do a baby alive video. It just kind of happened. She's been playing with it, and I was like, you want to make a video out of this? She was like, yes. So we're doing that. We tried to start the intro, but Sophia has a case of the giggles, so she has to giggle out for a little bit, and then we'll start. So co-star over here.
Too much that I have the hiccups now.
Oh, you have hiccups now? Oh, good. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Max is up from his nap. I gave him a bottle. He drank that bottle in like 6 minutes. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Buddy. Yeah, that's right. I got 2 cameras here. What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? Which one do I look at? The one that's on. Yeah. Did you get all your giggles out? Oh, now we got to wait for your hiccups to go away. I have to scare you. I have to scare you. Boo! That does. Boo!
I'm scared.
Wait, what is that on her? Boo! Did it work?
It scared me. Wait.
Ah, it didn't work. Wait.
Boo!
Okay, I'm not the one with hiccups. I'm not the one with hiccups. Wait. Shh. What's that noise outside? No, shh. What's that noise? It sounds like a monster.
Yeah.
It's not working, guys. It's not working. We have to wait for it to finish on its own somehow.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
I can't find my water. I don't know where it is.
I don't know. Where did you go? You know where it is?
Where?
You know where it is? exactly where you left it. Obviously you didn't leave it there, because it's not there. Really.
I think it has legs.
Why don't you go look for it?
It went to Target.
Why don't you go look for it?
Picking out
Look with your baby stuff. Maybe you got a baby thing and then you forgot it there. Go check it out. Hey man, was that fun? So we did like a baby alive video, just kind of here, just kind of chill. The baby is eating some snacks and a little bit of playtime. Lots of silliness from this girl. Wow, she's in a silly mood right now. And Max co-starred in it, for lack of a better word. He's just here, you know.
This two, and this two.
Yeah. That was cool, guys. What was that, a video or something? That's really cool. Really cool production you got there. Yeah, real nice. Nice and classy, you know? Yeah.
Classy?
Yeah, nice. I don't know, just nice and fancy classiness.
What does classy even mean?
I don't really know. I say words that I don't know all the time. I've kind of had this accent right now, too, for some reason. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. Is it Texas? I don't know. I'm not sure why that would be. I'm from New Jersey. Yeah, anyway. Really? What is that? What is that when he does that? That's his idea of being silly. Watch your face, man. Watch your face on that table. Wow, you're so not sick anymore. You have a hole in your pants. Sophia, I'm going to tell your mother about this. I'm going to tell your mother about this. You got a hole in your pants.
Look.
I know.
So it's supposed to do that.
You're in trouble, young lady. Dun-dum. 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 Fork cam! Denim. Do you really want it? Denim, 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 denim. Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna get a new fork because you have strep throat. I mean, technically, she still is contagious. I think the doctor said you're contagious for 24 hours from when you first start taking the medicine. She took it yesterday at 4 o'clock. It's only 2 o'clock today, so technically she's still contagious for a couple more hours, but just being safe. And in case you're wondering lately, Rob, why do you always tuck your strings into your shirt lately? Because I have a baby, and all he wants to do is pull them, and pull them, and pull them.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
There it is, fresh from the oven, still bubbling. Oh, oh. And that's what it looks like cut up. And Sophia has butter noodles because she doesn't like spicy things. And then Max has his meatballs, a little bit of pasta, and some veggies. What are you working on over here?
This, I don't know.
Shrinky dinks. Shrinky dinks! The things you put in the oven and they shrink. And what are they, keychains or something? I like the egg.
The keychains are either keychains or necklaces.
Oh, okay. I'm really excited about this egg. That's really awesome.
This was actually fell out.
Yeah, that's fine. You have to take them out anyway. But that's my favorite. What's your favorite so far?
Copying the picture.
Oh. What's your favorite so far? I like the narwhal too.
Yeah, this is my favorite because it's the cutest.
It is cute. Egg is awesome though.
This one too. Both of these.
Yeah, they're all pretty darn cute, huh? Oh, I got a bacon. Oh, I like the bacon. That's That's funny because it goes together with the egg.
I'm gonna make it pink because it's closer to like the color of it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Sounds good to me. What does he say about it? Anything?
No.
That's all he does?
Yeah. And he moves his arm up and down.
Oh, so he could wave? Oh, with the button?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. Amazing.
So it only does 2 things.
Those are nice. They came out cool. I still like the egg the best.
What are these?
There's some more there. The cup of water is pretty cool too. I like it.
I like this and this and
Which one?
and this and this and this and this.
All of them, basically. Alright, finished product. Can we see it? Wow, there's a bunch on there. So what'd you pick?
I got hamburger.
Uh-huh.
A cookie with wings. I made the dots so it looks like sparkly.
Mm-hmm.
I got an egg, your favorite.
Yep.
Some French fries.
Ooh, delicious.
These are my 2 favorites. Llama
Uh-huh.
and
Narwhal. Nice. And you're wearing that to school tomorrow?
Not tomorrow, the day after, Thursday.
Oh, okay. Okie dokie. Looks good. Good night, Max. Hey, Max.
Good night. Good night.
See you in the morning.
Oh, good night, Max.
Anyway, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.